Sanbonani Khoyomora. Welcome to another episode of Blind Dates. Namhlanje siniphethe imagine nje ukuthi ibheke eqheleni. Siphethe omunye obuya kukhumbula ekhaya, omunye ubuya kusestop la. So asibabone ukuthi bafunani la. Sanbonani. So ngizwa bathi kune language barrier la. So I'm gonna act as a translator and as a host. Let's get it started. I'm gonna ask you a few questions. And you're gonna answer like I'm not here. You're gonna answer the person next to me. Yangizwa talk. Okay. Awumbuzi igama. You don't ask for the name. You don't ask for the grade. Ne. And I know you're South Africans. You don't like the rules. Break the rules, you get out. Let's get it started. First question. What are your red flags in a girl? Let's start with the girl.
Red flags in a girl or a guy?
Hey, yeah, okay. Hey, I failed English. Please, volume up.
Okay.
You're screaming outside. We know you.
So, red flag in a guy is when he's really sexual, when he's not honest, loyalty doesn't count in his category, or when he leaves and shit gets hard.
Yes. Okay, I feel you. You want some tantalizing shit.
Take it easy, dog.
Okay. Boy, what about you? What are your red flags in a girl? You need red flag here, confess.
A girl that can cook.
Can cook.
Gelonga keys.
Yes.
And Gelo papai.
Okay.
That's all.
Did you get that?
No, I did not.
He said his red flags are a girl who doesn't bath, who can cook, and who's overly odorish.
Okay.
So yeah, let's keep that question because you'll understand, right? So second question of the day, what are your green flags in a guy?
Green flags, loyalty, honesty, he's there for you when you're down, and that can at least cook and be a gentleman.
Okay. You like them gentle, don't like them rough. Okay. Hey boy, when I'm a green flag, yini boy?
A green flag.
Yeah. Phakamisa voice now indoda man hayi. Yini ukuzoba uyindoda?
Hayi man. Green flag a girl who can cook, a clean girl and a loyal girl.
Yeah. Kahle wena ufuna umuntu oclean.
Yeah.
Mayekini bazomfuna umlungu.
Nah.
Hayi. Mara let's go past that. So namhlanje ngoba it's a special episode mina emahloni yami. Ngizothatha question A1 from ama fans wethu. So, ubani one question? Okay. Usicela umbuze la, ucela ubuza umbuzo. Ask the question, asinali ixesha, lidliwe ichiwawa.
So the question is, Nev, with all the characteristics you said you want in a guy, do you think you could apply to them too?
Wow. Did you get that? Yes. This is a conundrum, I know. This is the type of questions that get me flabbergasted as well. So yeah, can we get the answer?
Yes, I can.
Yes. Can you?
I can be loyal.
Okay.
I can be honest.
Can you further
Supportive.
evaluate, because they say actions speak louder than words. What can you do to prove that you're loyal?
I can give him my phone if he wants it.
Oh.
He can have all my passwords to all my social media. He can have my Gmail if he wants to. He can have access to my WhatsApp.
Okay. When a boy, we feel a lenta show.
Yeah.
Okay. So bekanje ama questions lawo mina benginawo ngathi angiphelele so senenza kanje. Ngizonipha amantathu ama minutes. Ne. Okay. Oh, you can't hear me. It's okay. I'ma give you on minutes. Yeah, I'ma give you a few minutes to collaborate and evaporate on each other's past statements. Ne? So I like you to ask questions about each other, get to know each other. Act like you just met on WhatsApp. Ne? Not even WhatsApp, Instagram. You don't know him, you don't know you. Ne? So that's the only thing I want. I don't want grades. I don't want names.
An age?
Nothing. So yeah, let's go. Imbus. First question, girl.
What's his personality?
My personality.
Ask you saying the iPhone here might not time me.
Stop the cap.
Okay, let's go. Can you answer the
My
question?
personality.
Settle down.
I'm kind.
Okay. Voice up. You and daughter.
I must say I'm kind and helpful.
Okay. Kind and helpful. What else? Pela, we're looking for specific characteristics. Sifuna into ezinqona ngqo kuwe. Like personality yakho, which consists of ama-daily activity, ukhuluma nabo bani kanjani. Hayi ukuthi ukhuluma nabo bani, mara ukhuluma kanjani nabantu, uyangithola mos.
I'm friendly to people.
Yeah.
Then my personality.
Ungabi namahloni, qabanga labantu ababoni ku-blind date mara unamahloni.
No, like-
I know kwaba ze pandemic mara ayi kanje.
Okay, I'm a boy who loves playing football.
Yes wena.
I'm kind. I'm helpful.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, that's all.
Nah.
Okay. Okay. Whoa, did you get what he said, right?
Yes.
So yeah, up to you. Now we're at you now. We are sliding off. What's your personality?
I'm goofy, crazy, very outgoing. I'm an extrovert, and I like gaming. So
Okay. So we've answered the girl's question. When una umbuzo for you.
Are you thin or fat?
Damn. Are you thin or fat?
in-between statement.
Huh?
It's an in-between.
Oh, she's in between. She's living exactly on the bread line.
Okay.
So, are those the questions you want to ask?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get past that. Now my question is for both of you. So, we're going to start with the girl. What's your body count? And wait. If your body count, if one boy was equivalent to 100 rand, how rich would you be?
I'll be poor.
Yeah?
I'll be poor.
Poor.
Yes.
Okay, like how poor?
Very poor. 'Cause I don't-
700, 1,000.
No, I don't like asking guys for money. It's not.
No, it's not like for man.
Why?
No, man, fan. No. So what I'm trying to say is not like if the boy, we can transition him into man. Like for each boy in your body count is equivalent to 100 rand. How rich would you be if
I'll be poor.
poor? Okay, how many boys has it been?
0.
0.
Like I'm being serious.
Ow! Awa! Aye! Aye! Okay, wait. Okay. She says she's 0 rands. Ilaba basebenzisa iAbsa. Mara yeah, wena boy body count yakhe ithini?
0.
0. Ah. Maceda uthi wena uyi-soccer player.
Yeah.
Phela ama-soccer player engiwaziyo adlala ibhola ngathi abogende.
Nah.
Ayamtikitaka. Awunampendulo.
Yeah.
Okay. Hayi mara asidluleni. So isikhathi sesifikile ukuthi lapho sikhululele ingane lama hot blooded teenagers. I-mask. So ngicela ama volunteers. Ama bounce. Stella, i-countdown. Oh, wait. Stella manzi kawa kampova. Stella izandla, asazi ukuthi nibuyaphi. Hands. We don't know where you have been. Hey. Yes, you can hold each other now. God has purified you. So, yeah. Let's get to it. Can I have a countdown? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Yes, yes. Wait. Settle down. Please. Can you stop being uncivilized? Okay. So yeah. So girl, what are you giving the guy?
Be honest.
How do you? Honesty is the best policy. I'm from church yesterday.
I'm very shocked.
You're very shocked. Yo, even shocked. So, should I start with the boy? Okay, rates. I can see him, Fana. It's like you just smoked weed and just came back to earth.
I must say 3.5.
3.5. Oh, ish. He's saying 3.5. What are you giving him?
0.
0. Oh. Wait. We listen, we don't judge. Okay. Mara, to wrap it up, Samuza, omunyu to 3.5, omunyu to 0. A question. Is this a match or is it a pass?
Pass.
Okay. As I said, oil and water don't mix. You cannot mix a tikoloshi with the church. The Holy Spirit don't care. Yeah. That's the way.